Hi, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I'm going to show you how to market your YouTube page for only $1 a day, and it really does work. So as a new YouTuber, I didn't think it was going to be so hard to get subscribers or viewers. I really thought that people would join that were similar to me selling on eBay, but I don't think a lot of people see my videos. So I started promoting on Google Ads, and I'll show you step by step how to do that. It's really super easy, only $1 a day. I mean, why not? It's cheaper than Starbucks, right? So come on along, I'll show you how to market your YouTube page for only $1. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to get that done. Come on along. Okay, everybody. So now if you go over to your Google or whatever browser that you want to use, and you just type in Google Ads Setup, you will see that this will pop up, ads.google.com, and you can start now and set up your account. And then when you log in, you'll be in this Google Ads, and it might look a little different from you. The Google Ads website is very basic. If you land on a different screen, maybe it's because you haven't set everything up yet. However, you will see this little thing that says new campaign, and it really doesn't matter what screen you're on. So once you see the new campaign, all you have to do is click on that, and then what you want to do is to promote your YouTube videos. So what you want to choose is create a campaign without a goals guidance. So we're going to click that one. And then we want video, consumers with sight, sound, and motion on YouTube and connected to TVs. So we're going to do video. We are going to do a custom video campaign. So now that we're here on this screen, this is the general settings screen. Okay, so here we have my YouTube page, and as you can see, I don't have many subscribers. However, since I have done this, I at least get one every video I put up, so I'm happy with that because I was really stuck at only a couple. Google will also show you how many people it has reached. It's really awesome. This is a slow growth, but definitely moving up to where I'm not going backwards now. Here are my videos. And I want to pick a YouTube video that I want to promote, and I would like to do the one with a banner. We're going to choose this one, and right up here you will see like the URL, and I put how to make a YouTube banner easy and free. I'm just going to copy that because that's just easy. Okay, so if you go down to budget and dates, I'm going to put daily. I want to spend $1 a day. And also, you can also choose to end your campaign at any time, and I'll show you how to do that too. And then you can restart it too if you want later. So if you feel like, oh, I don't want to spend that much anymore, then you can definitely change it around. And if you hear my dog in the background, that would be Susan. Okay, so here I'm going to start this date. See, I am going to go out for like a month, I think. You can have no stop or start. It doesn't really matter. It's just all in what you want to do. So I chose the 16th. So I'm just going to go to March 16th. Sounds good. So I'm going to run it for 1 month. Okay, so after you choose daily, or you can also choose like a campaign total and say you only want to spend $20, you can put it there. However, I like to just spending per day, so I'm going to choose that. And you really can choose whatever date you want to here, whatever you're comfortable with. So then we're going to go down to networks over here. You want to click off these other ones. In my opinion, you don't want to be the person jumping in on a video somebody is watching. If you do, then you can choose this. However, I choose not to jump in between videos when somebody's watching a video. I don't want my ad to pop up and say, hey, look at me. here I am. I want it to be more organic than that, so I unclick this. So I want my items to appear in the YouTube search results, and those will appear on the right-hand corner of YouTube when people are searching something or watching another video. Your ad will pop up on the side. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here to locations. This is the next one. And for locations, you can choose the country you're in, United States and Canada, United States. However, I choose the ones where I think are the most English speaking because that's what I'm speaking here on YouTube. So I choose Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Now you can enter here whatever you want, or you could just make it simple and choose United States or United States and Canada. If you choose the United States, you might as well probably just choose Canada too. Unless what you're doing doesn't involve Canada at all, then maybe you wouldn't want to. We go down here. I have an English speaking tutorial, so I chose English here and this languages. Now, the nice thing about the Google Ads is it kind of fills in your things for you for the next time. So it remembers and just goes with it. So that's good. Okay, so now you want to scroll down and under content here on the left side is keywords. So I would click on that. And you just want to kind of put in here what you think people might type in. So I'm just going to put that in there. I'm going to put tutorial, eBay, made easy. Now, the nice thing is you can take your URL from your YouTube and then put it over here and get keywords. And this will show you some keywords. And this has definitely really helped me to choose keywords. So I'm just going to copy over here. Banner design, banner advertising. And you kind of get the idea. So I'm just going to fill this in. Okay, so I entered some goodies in there. Now I'm going to scroll down to bidding over here. I'm probably just going to put, I would say 5 cents. It sounds like a really good number. This is a cost per view. That's what CPV stands for, and it says here what it is. The highest amount you're willing to pay someone to view your video ad. I just put 5 cents and go with that. So here you're going to pop in your URL to the video that you got from here on your YouTube page. Again, my headline from over there. I think I'll add some more because I see some keywords there. Channel art. So over on the right side, you'll be able to see what it will look like when your ad pops up on YouTube, and that will show up on the right side. And this is what it looks like. So, and you can see your headline right here. And then your YouTube channel name. So there we go. Description, let's see. How to create a banner. How to create a YouTube banner. There we go. Free YouTube channel art. Banner. It's so hard for me to type and talk at the same time. So the ad name, I'm just going to go how to make a YouTube banner. There we go. So then I just want to create the campaign. Okay, so then you just want to hit create campaign. Create the campaign. There we go. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. So then if you hit continue to campaign, your campaign will show up here. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So this will have to be approved, and sometimes it's approved very quickly. The first time will usually take probably 2 business days. Now it could go pretty quickly. It could be within the hour. Sometimes it's the next day, but I think they kind of typically run within business hours if that helps out at all. And then you'll be able to see if you go up to all campaigns and you can view campaign there. And you'll be able to edit everything there too as you want. Right here, I paused a campaign. And you can click this down and hit paused if you just want to stop it. Okay, everybody, I hope that helps. Good luck on your YouTube pages. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.